Hey, this is Brett the Hitman Hart, and I'm asking you to take the time and check out on YouTube Forever Freaky Funko.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the giveaway video for Thursday Night Spotlight, going down in 2 days, Thursday at 4 p.m. Central Time, 5 p.m. Eastern. 4 p.m. A new time this week only. I'm going to have Allison from Hot Topic sitting right here next to me, and we will be unboxing 3 cases of Spider-Man Far From Home Mystery Minis. So we got 3 full cases. We got 2 regular cases. And then we have 1 GameStop exclusive case. So we got some exclusives in here. GameStop exclusives, and then we have 2 regular versions because there is no Hot Topic exclusive. There's a Target, a GameStop, and a Walmart. And right now, in my area, the only ones I can find are the GameStop. So Walmart hasn't released theirs in my area, and neither has Target. So I do have 1 GameStop and 2 regular. So we're going to open up all 3 cases. Check out the mystery minis. I had picked up a couple random ones, and I ended up getting Mysterio already and Molten Man. There's an exclusive glow-in-the-dark of him. This is the regular version of him. So I already picked up these 2. I just bought 2 random boxes in a case that wasn't full, and I got these 2. And he's already worth 20 bucks. And Molten Man I think is worth like 15 or something. So pretty cool. So we're going to be opening those up. We're going to be doing a Q&A, so if you guys have any questions from an employee that works at Hot Topic, she can discuss whatever she's allowed to discuss. So, but definitely have your questions ready because we're going to be asking you guys. So about the giveaways, we're doing 3 giveaways. I don't anticipate it to be a super long spotlight. So we're going to do 3 giveaways. The first giveaway is going to be Spider-Punk. This is all going to be Spider-Man related. So that's a PX exclusive. So that's the first giveaway. The second giveaway is going to be a 2-pack Marvel's Legends MJ and Spider-Man. And this is from Spider-Man Homecoming. So that Marvel Legend 2-pack, giving this one away as well. I collect Marvel Legends. So love this 2-pack. So that's the second prize. And then the third prize is this Culture Fly box. What's inside? Sealed box Spider-Man Culture Fly box. So those are the 3 items that we're giving away. This is a $25 value. This is a $40 value. And I don't know what Spider-Punk is worth. He just dropped probably about 15 bucks. So some 3 cool prizes to give away. Like I said, I don't anticipate to be a long spotlight. So I'd say maybe a little over an hour probably. We're going to knock out the mystery minis, chat with her, and just hang out, guys. So definitely join us on Thursday. Special time, 4 p.m. Central. This is the only spotlight that's going to be at 4 p.m. We're going to go back to 8 p.m., which is the normal slot for it. But due to booking and timing and other things that are going on in both of our schedules, 4 o'clock is going to be the time this week, so we can knock it out. So hope you guys can join us, and we'll see you guys Thursday night. These are the giveaways. This is the giveaway video. So hashtag Spider-Man on this video, and it gets you to enter the random comment picker for all 3 of those. And of course, the first name that gets picked, you get to tell me which one of those 3 you want, second name, and then the last person will get the last prize, whatever's left. So see you guys Thursday night. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you soon.